Hey y'all, well, it's in its permanent home. This is my 880 amp hour Lifepo4 system I got here, so excuse the wires, but this is more or less what you saw before. I added these nice little bus bars for my different components and stuff that I have. I also added, and this is connecting to the freezer itself, which I'm going to take out and show you here in a second. This is how much it draws, 4.2 amps, and it's been running for about an hour, and it's pulling 55 watts, which is awesome. Now, going back to the Batrium, Batrium's doing real well. We've only pulled an amp hour. Starting today is 12:14 a.m. We're also charging iPads, my dog's collars, and a couple of other things. This module, one I got from Battery Hookup, actually expanded, which was unfortunate, but Battery Hookup is awesome. They actually sent me a new one free from Big Battery straight to my door. Can't thank them enough for doing that. There's also one over there, as you can see. So let's go out to the living room and show you the refrigerator. So here's my refrigeration system here. It just started up, but we are left and right at freezing temperatures. Just open up this one and open up this one to kind of show you. This is all filled up. This is 68 liters. And then my dog's food, which is the entire point of this operation, being able to freeze her food if the power goes out. And that is that. This is a Sundancer SD68. Awesome. Awesome freezer. I ran into some issues with the cord, and I had to splice in my own cord to make this work, but I'm working with the company for them to have a better cord for people who buy this in the future, and can't thank them enough for working with me on that. Let's show you a little bit of solar. Alright, so finalizing with high-tech solar. This is a 200 watt panel that is on some railing at my apartment, and I used a marine application with some thick bars, and this thing is rock solid. It is not going anywhere. This, the way it's positioned, yields about 200 watts per day, or 220, 230, which is about half of my freezer. Let's go and finalize and give you some numbers. Okay, so to finalize and give you some numbers, this freezer pulls 2.7 amps per hour for the duty cycle. It's about a 50% duty cycle, and total regarding this entire system as it stands, each battery provides 3 days of freezer power, so I have a total of 12 days non-stop on a 50% duty cycle. And that's thanks to Sundancer and not having to lose a bunch of energy trying to invert a deep freezer. So without cleaning everything up, my project is pretty much complete, and 200 hours went into this. But I'm happy. I've learned an exponential amount from start to finish. And you're probably wondering, oh, you're a good girl, who I'm doing this for, and this is Sasha. Good girl. So, anyway, take it easy, guys.